This is the main part of the app that mimics a mirrored baseplate compass. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, there is a map of your GPS location. This is a real-world test that will prove that you know how to use a compass. And let's set one here as waypoint 3. As you can see in the lower box below, it lists waypoint 1, waypoint 2, waypoint 3, and waypoint 4. It will give you the bearing in degrees, the distance in meters, and the number of paces it will take to get to the next waypoint. I'm going to go ahead and set my bearing to 274 degrees. I'm going to use the center circle of the compass needle, as my sighting notch, and that's what I'm going to walk towards. Alright, I've reached waypoint 1. As you can see, when you finally reach your final waypoint, which is labeled the start-end point, you receive a message that says test complete. You have successfully navigated all waypoints. The compass navigation quiz will be a multiple choice quiz. If you select an incorrect answer, it will highlight in red. If you select a correct answer, it will highlight in green. At the end of the quiz, it will tell you if you passed or failed. If you failed the course, you have the option to return to the main menu or to review incorrect answers. As you can see, you are presented with a review that gives you all of the questions and all of the answers that you missed.